Ito lang.
Practice back siya.
Ito lang.
Ako mag-i-invade sa panic kung hindi ko kaya i-invade. Diba naman sa Maneta, first kilunahin ko punta dito, tapos bigla ako na electric. Ano kaya feelings na nang pinihit mo yung farm, tapos bigla kang nakainitan. Feelings ko ganun. Insight nun. Ay, support emblem.
Support. Tank lang yan ang buo.
Hindi, may sigla kaya nakasupport na kami.
Saka mage yan. May mage build yan.
Mage maganda. Half-half. Mage tsaka tank. Kay Baksha.
Buti kayo yung support emblem mo. Sana all.
Bibili ako nun
Siya
eh.
lang, meron. Ako wala. Ayoko yan eh.
Malakas ang tama.
Para kasi kay Minotaur yun. Kaya binili ko
Hindi,
yun.
lalang tama, malakas doon. Kaysa ano, support. Si Grap din, malakas doon. Malakas Grap, tapos naka-red 3. Una i-invade kayo lahat. Lahat sila, tapos si Grap kukuha ng buff. Para may buff na yung Grap. Yung sasamahan niyang carry, Lane, sasamahan ko eh.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Ito nakita ko yun. Kaya panorin mo, isa to. Yeah.
It would take an army to stop me. Only the fearless are.
Ang
Sword
i-invade
of the
ko
heaven.
Ay, ano yung uwak? Kung makasunod niya.
Ano? Yan na, Dairo.
Impudence will not be tolerated.
First blood!
Wow, ang lakas naman nun.
Wala pala yun sa akin yung... Wala akong bigyan.
Your whole body is
Binili ko yan. Si Baksha. Oh, ba't kayo nagagalit? Bahala kayo dyan. Oh,
impudence will not be tolerated.
Double pa.
Ako kukuha ng red buff eh.
Ano gamit mo?
Silong.
Hindi ano yun.
Your whole body is a
Pro.
weak spot.
Kaya pagkamit ako sa gap mo. Ang bayan pa lang yung gap mo. Wala akong mga
Your impudence will not be
Babay
tolerated.
na rin rin eh.
Only the fearless can soar to the heavens.
Sige na nga, sige na nga, sige na nga. Sa inyo na nga eh.
Initiate
Hindi
retreat!
ba naman kayo? Isa lang ako. Magka-ulti lang ako. Hintayin nyo lang.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Hey, dude. Baklan. Wala lang. Hindi ba sa ganang lagi?
Ikaw, wala akong flame shot.
Your impudence will not be
Patay mo na
tolerated.
yan, patay mo.
Ally initiate retreat!
Patay
Has been slain!
Patay mo, Leslie.
Kaso ng panik.
Only the fearless heart can soar to the heavens.
Naka-jungle item na ako na.
Epal naman to. May room nga pala ako.
Tolerated.
Wala ka na dyan.
Initiate retreat!
It would take an army to stop me.
Turtle resurrecting soon! An ally has been slain! An enemy has been slain! Initiate retreat! Initiate
Dairo pa nga.
retreat!
Eh, nakakaba ko. Ay, kursaba yung tapos.
Initiate retreat!
Only the
Killing spree!
your impudence.
An ally has slain the turtle!
Iyakin lahat ng carry. Bakit ganun?
It would take an army to stop me.
Kanina yung isa pang carry. Ganun din. Ultihan ko tong turret eh.
Heroes never change.
Ay, my goodness. Mali pala.
You have been slain.
There's glory and redemption in every death.
Yung pani walang bakya.
Lakad yan, lakad.
Yung ganigil.
May red box siya.
He has been slain.
Nasa ako sa akin.
Only the fearless heart can soar to the heavens.
Walang bakya.
An enemy
Kahit
has
anong
been
kulay ba,
slain.
pwede
An
dun.
ally has been slain.
Bawal.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Tapang naman ako. Pakiyako.
Shut down.
Heroes
Initiate retreat. You have slain an enemy. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Ba.
Your impudence will not be tolerated.
Apat lang.
Only the fearless heart can soar to the heavens.
Salamat.
Franco boss.
Initiate
Take
retreat.
an army to stop me.
Oh, ang sakit.
Your team destroyed a turret. Enemy killing spree. Launch attack.
Bobo kasi ng Layla, nanood lang.
Shut down. Turtle resurrecting soon.
Kawawa naman, walang buff. Meron na pala.
Slain.
Kaso patay pa din.
Yung lakas nito, lakas ng Layla, magpapay dun.
Killing spree. Double kill.
Lugi ako sa'yo. Napako push.
Launch attack.
Nag-advance na ako.
It would take an army to stop me.
Launch attack. You destroyed a turret.
Yun na.
Ally has slain the turret.
Sige, patay mo.
Ally has been initiated retreat. Slain.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
May pa naman sinundaw na.
Only the fearless heart can soar to the heavens.
Shut down.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Killing spree.
Puntang kay si Wanwan.
Heroes never
An
fade.
enemy has been slain. An enemy
Oo,
has
yung di
been
ko nga
slain.
maabot.
Dami gina-work naman ako.
Mega kill.
Nadamig sa akin doon.
An enemy has been slain. Wiped out. Your team destroyed a turret.
Ito talaga.
Ano ba yan?
Only the fearless
Ay, yung
heart
chinelas.
can soar
Hindi
to
din
the
na
heavens.
ano ah.
Heroes never fade.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Sus!
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Sus!
You have been slain.
Bak na bak!
Ally has been slain.
Ako na naman yung bagay paano.
Kuha mo to, kuha nyo to.
Tapos yung Layla. Bilis. Parang hindi pa niretrill niya. Hindi mo na.
Launch attack.
Wala siya retry. Si Kari ang naka-retry. Dolly.
Initiate retreat. Turtle resurrecting soon.
Wala na ulti yun. Kay Wanwan.
Killing spree.
Sa turtle.
Heroes never fade.
Madali ka.
Slain an enemy.
Turtle na tayo. Sayang ulti.
Your impudence.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Naka-retry yun. Madami yun.
Only the fearless
Ani.
can soar to the
Monster kill. Double kill.
Hihi.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Ganda kasi ng first niya, no? Pag tumama, dire-diretso na. Masakit. Uy! Takbo na, takbo na!
Ano sabi mo lang?
Attack!
Kaya gusto ko ba diyan na ako dyan.
Patayin na, lumipad.
An ally has been slain.
Kaya niya si Dari.
An enemy has been slain. Mega kill! Double
Hindi
kill!
umabot.
Double kill!
Hindi umabot.
Kaya tanong.
Our turret has been
Tama
destroyed.
yan. Push-push lang. Pupush ako sa bot. Habang nawiwili sa kilang kalaban, kailangan mag-push.
Your team
Ubusin niyo
destroyed
bap.
a
Ito,
turret.
papunta ng bap.
Initiate retreat.
Pwersa naman yun.
The fearless heart can soar to the heavens.
Your team destroyed a turret. Shut down. Launch attack.
Ito na rin sa bakas.
Kailangan, pupush ko lang to.
Initiate retreat. Lord resurrecting soon.
This unit not tolerate. Heroes never fade!
An ally has requested backup. Initiate retreat.
It would take an army to stop. Heroes never fade!
Godlike. An ally has slain Lord.
Only the fearless heart can soar to the heavens. Heroes never fade!
Initiate retreat.
There is glory in redemption.
Bakit?